Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevrolet Traverse and I will show you which fuse to check in case your backup reverse camera is not working. This video will apply to Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. Rear view camera fuse will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the passenger side right here. Now to remove the cover you will have three black tabs here, here and here. So what you have to do, just have to press onto each of the tabs and lift it up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. I hope you can see what I'm doing because it's quite sunny outside. And this piece right here, this is the fuse puller which you can use to remove any of the small fuses. And the fuse you want to check, it's a small 10 amp red fuse located in the upper right corner. Now if this fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper and possibly remove the backup camera, inspect all the wiring, clean the electrical connections, and then if still it doesn't work, then you will most likely have to replace the camera. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.